In question 2 of this exercise, we have to do something very similar to what we did in question 1. We have to visualize 4.26 bar, a recurring decimal on the number line up to 4 decimal places, and we have to use successive magnification to do this. Now 4.26 bar when expanded, so 4.26 bar when expanded can be written as 4.262626 and so on, because 26 is the recurring part of this decimal. So up to 4 decimal places, it can be rounded off as 4.2626. So if I have to round it off, I can round it off as 4.2626 up to 4 decimal places. This means that 4.26 bar will lie between 4.2626 and 4.2627. So this number will lie between 4.2626 and 4.2627. Now that we have figured it out, let's locate this interval from 4.2626 to 4.2627 on the number line. So first, we take the integer line and we take the interval between 4 and 5, this interval, and we magnify it and divide it into 10 equal parts. So I have magnified the interval between 4 to 5, and we can see the markers for 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and so on, and up to 4.9. Now because 4.26 bar lies between 4.2 and 4.3, let's magnify this interval from 4.2 to 4.3. So let's magnify this interval. So I have magnified this interval, and now I can see the markers for 4.21, 4.22 all the way up to 4.29. Next, because 4.26 bar lies between 4.26 and 4.27, let's magnify this interval from 4.26 to 4.27. In this magnified, when we magnify this interval, so this is what I get, 4.26 to 4.27. I can see the markers for 4.261, 4.262, 4.263 and up to 4.269. Next, because 4.26 bar lies between 4.262 and 4.263, this interval here, let's magnify this interval from 4.262 to 4.263. So again, I have magnified the number line. I have magnified the interval from 4.262 to 4.263. So I've divided it this interval into 10 parts, and I can see the markers for 4.2621, 4.2622 and so on up to 4.2629. Finally, here's 4.2626 and here's 4.2627. So 4.26 bar will lie somewhere in this interval. It will actually lie closer to 4.2626 than to 4.2627. So it will lie somewhere in this interval. And with this successive magnification, our visualization for 4.26 bar is complete. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.